Yeah, bro. Thanks for coming out, bro.
No problem, bro. I'll get you in no time.
How long do you think it'll take you, bro?
Maybe 10 seconds, 30 seconds.
30 seconds? Damn. No way. So, how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing it for a while, bro. Bro, I love this, bro. Like, this is literally my passion, bro. There's nothing else I would rather be doing this, like, except this, bro. Like, I love this. I eat, breathe, sleep, locksmith, bro. I do this.
Wow.
Just,
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't want to do it no more. I can't do it, bro.
Come on, bro. Are you kidding me? Like, what are you doing, bro? You're on the ground?
I've only been locksmith for 3 days, man. It's my 3rd day out here. I can't do this, man.
You're a grown man, bro. Get up. Come on. I need to get in the house, dog.
I don't want it, man. I don't want it, man. I can't do it.